Hey guys, we're live. Just as the clock turned to 8:12 p.m. Eastern Time, battling for Jurgen's UKG 85. No COO Leia. Tough to find here in the States a little bit. In particular, I got 30 spots. Then I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our winner. Now they are 1 through 30. Going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5. We didn't. We got to go again. How we doing this time? We're doing great this time. We got a 9, so we're well in the habitable zone here for a battle. So let's do it. Len takes round 1. Scott 2. Oleg 3 and 4. Eric takes round 5. Marco 6 and 7. Eric again on top in round 8, our next to last round with number 2. Bringing us to the final round. Good luck, folks. Here we go. Our winner is Oleg, in at number 4. Congratulations, sir. Here's the verification code. And official results. RQK AXU. There we go. I'm done at 8:13. Bam. There it is. Ugh. All right. Again, here's our winner. Congratulations. See you next time, guys. Thanks.